Good day, it's Richard here from Williams Crawford. As you can see here with the Group 4 car, it's its second year of competing. Fantastic year. We have done everything from local hill climbs, sprints, it's been to stage rallies, and it's also been out to France and competed in one of the rounds of the French Championship. So it has served me super well. Problem mechanically, none that to speak of. We had one rear caliper that must have been struck by a stone and it snapped one of the bleed nipples off, which failed, as you can imagine. Nothing that we could do, and obviously not my fault. But apart from that, we have had a trouble-free, successful season. Upgrades on the car, we've been running different tyres this year. That has been, no, you're not going to go in close and give away what tyres they are, but we've been running a different tyre package this year. That has been very helpful. And also I've had the suspension rebuilt. The suspension independent, so the torsion bars were all removed from this car and then it's run independent coilover suspension. I'm allowed to do that before it's a Group 4 and it doesn't have to conform. But they were off a track race car and were plenty stiff enough always. So I've had them sent away, revalved, recalibrated, same springs, but it's given some helper springs to it. So it's helped both the ride height and the way that the car handles. So those two things have been great on that side. The only other upgrade that we've done, we've upgraded the hydraulic handbrake because the engine's in the back, and obviously especially on a stage rally there's so many chicanes etc to take the speed off. Locking in really helps having a hydraulic handbrake. So now it being mid-September, coming to the end of the season, and I've only got one more event booked in, so it's the Bath Motor Club stage rally. That's run at Castle Combe, and that's on Saturday the 29th of November. Lovely viewing. Tickets are on sale already. They always sell out, and it was actually voted best single venue rally of 2024. I competed in it last year. I'm not sure if Adrian did, but this year we're hoping to get 2 or 3 cars entered. So if you are free on that weekend, really good. Only up in just the other side of Bristol, and you can see us competing in the car. So a more than successful year. Very privileged and honoured to be able to use it, drive it and enjoy it, and car's doing well. So congratulations to everyone here who supports, services and encourages our motorsport. Thank you for watching.